Dell Inspiron 5430 is a model new from Dell in late 2023. As Osman not like cut-off date, here are some aspects that one might typically review. Dell Inspiron 5430, it looks very nice, it is small, thin, easy to carry. The 5430 is designed for normal and medium working user and suitable office-friendly appearance. Laptop Dell Inspiron 5430 offer Full HD 14.0 inch 1920 by 1200 displays that make us see the picture clearly, but it's not for gaming. Dell Inspiron 5430 comes equipped with 13th generation Intel Core i7-1360p processor. It is associated with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 graphics card. The combination of CPU and GPU make the engine run smoothly. The laptop has RAM 16GB DDR5 4800 MHz on board and storage 1TB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD. One slot only support M.2 2230 and 2280 with a battery for cellular and 54 WH. The battery life on the Inspiron 5430 is exceptional. Expect around 4 to 6 hours of moderate usage before needing to recharge. Comfortable keyboard is crucial as well as it comes equipped with backlighting on the keyboard. The touchpad be precise and responsive. Dell Inspiron 5430 offers a selection of USB 3.2, Type A, HDMI, SD card reader, and headset jack port, along with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity. Inspiron 5430, its price is a bit expensive. It is essential to consider if the feature and performance meet the needs relative to its cost. That being said, it's important to note that user experience can vary, and there may be potential drawbacks or issues that some users encounter. It's always a good idea to read multiple reviews before making a purchase decision.